Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey.
Well, hello, ASDS. Welcome to my practice. Hello, lover. We'll talk to you later. So I want to welcome you to our practice, Art of Skin MD. We're actually just 30 minutes up the coast from where we're having our meeting now, and I'm so excited to share my new practice with you all. I've been here about 2 years. I'm in North County, San Diego. We're situated in a wonderful area. We're in sort of a center area that's just the epicenter of health and beauty. And I want to show you a tour inside, so let's get started, okay? So welcome to the reception area here at Art of Skin MD. I wanted to show you this because I really thoughtfully sort of progressed this. It's very compact. We just have a few seats because I don't want patients waiting. Behind you is actually private label and carefully chosen products that we have here so patients can test and feel it. And then we have a check-in and check-out window here separately divided so it keeps patients in check and it helps with the efficiency and flow. Beyond that, I actually want to show you the clinic. So it's basically like a big donut. Over here on your right is our offices. So our clinic offices, our office manager, and this is a special little nook. This is actually what I call the numbing banquette. So if we have patient overflow, we need a room, or if somebody's getting treated with an LED light, they can sit here and simulate privacy and have a little nook that they can do their own thing while they wait. But let's go around into some of the rooms. So I want to show you off to the right is actually my own room. It's my office, my little sanctuary. I wanted a pop of color, so we've got this nice, really pretty relief panel wall that's featured in a lot of the rooms, but it happens to be blue here. Love plants, so I've got those around. And then I love chocolate. It is my 5th food group. And so the girls know sometimes I need a little afternoon pick-me-up. So I've got a few pick-me-ups in here that you can see, and I always like fresh breath, so I've got my supply of gum there as well. I want to show you our photo room because we've developed that as sort of a professional photo suite with Canfield. So if you take a look, it's painted blue per spec, and it's got a nice photo room that we can take both body and headshots. We take all of our before and afters, all of our clinical research photos in there. And then we've got 4 rooms. They're actually all named after art movements. So number 1, number 2, and I'm going to show you our largest procedure room. And this is where the magic happens. So where I do my lipo and my excisions, it's where I do my laser resurfacing. We've got a few of our different devices that are actually housed here, and we try and be really green. So this is an LED light. It provides excellent coverage when I'm doing my full skin examinations. We're completely wireless, completely paperless here, so you can see the girls help me scribe when we're actually writing notes in the office when we're taking our patient histories. And then things are just very well organized, and so all the rooms are very consistent as far as what's in the drawers. As you come down along here, I do want to show you a couple things. Bathroom first. So for our patients, we have a nice little cubby hole with automatic water and automatic light that's really easy to access, and then clean dirty room, which is nice and clean, I'm happy to say. So this is where we wash our instruments. It's where we store all of our toxins and our fillers and our biohazard waste, and the girls do a really good job of actually keeping it in check and keeping it clean and organized. And then there's a final room that I want to show you. This is largely a laser procedural room, but it features local art. So this is artist Aaron Chang, some of his portrait work. And again, this is a device-heavy room. Something we also have in all of our rooms is a flat screen TV. So it rolls through specials that we're having, communicates information for our patients, shows upcoming events, and it's been something that's even interactive. I do my consultations through that. So it really makes life easy, and I think it makes it fun for patients, and they're really impressed as they come through the clinic. So no cribs episode would be complete without checking out the fridge. The girls here know I'm a bit of a Diet Coke freak. Say I am not a coffee drinker, so you can see we're well stocked with that, and we always have sparkling water for both our patients as well as my staff. And then one other thing I want to feature is our sample closet and our storage space. It's actually quite small. We've had to be efficient with our space, and so I do want you to see this because it is definitely a point of glory and pride for the girls. They keep it in really good shape. You can see all of our samples. rooms are well labeled and organized actually by condition, and then even pamphlets for all of our procedures that we give out during consultations are here as well. So it's wonderful to be able to pop in here if I do need to and know exactly where I go to. Even our stationery and some of our marketing supplies are supplied here as well. And then a final area that I want to show you is our reception bench. So this is right across from our checkout window, which is over here to your left. And this is a place where we allow the pharma reps, or if we have somebody we've got a meeting with, to just sit here. They can enjoy the fountain over there, enjoy the ambiance of the area, but be in sort of a quiet alcove. And it's really nice if they're just waiting a moment for a meeting with us. They have a restful place to kind of hang back before they see us. Well, you've seen it all. We've completed our loop here at Art of Skin MD, but you know what? That wasn't quite enough of a workout. So you sit tight for a second there. We're going to take another loop. That was a quick change. And so when we have that spare minute, I like to head out for a workout, and sometimes my girls join me too. Here they are, hard at work. What's the latest? So I want to introduce you to my team. This is my Director of Clinical Services, Josephine, one of my medical assistants, Monica, Jessica, my nurse, and Leslie, who's another medical assistant here. And they're so fabulous and so loyal, and I don't know what I would do without them. And so with that, we like to promote from within and hire from within. So Josephine's been very hard at work, working on the next dermatologist that'll be taking over my practice someday. With such a busy practice over the last 2 years, sometimes I have to take a moment to remember to stop and smell the roses. But let's move on. I want to show you on my new project. Girls, what is this? Oh, I might look better actually. It looks like I need a little laser hair removal though. So I want to show you my next project that we're actually working on. It's almost complete. It's just a week or two out, and I'm really excited to share it with you all. It's our new Annex, and so it's going to open in a few weeks, and you're getting the first sneak peek. So this is the Art of Skin MD Annex. You can see our waiting room. We're just getting furniture in literally in the last week, so you're getting the first sneak peek. And stylistically, this is very similar to our original space that's next door. And then there's a neat feature here. All of us have those difficult patients, and I'm sure you've had a day you want to make a face. Well, guess what? You can, because this is a one-way window. So take out a little frustration maybe in this room if you need to. And then down the hallway, I want you to take a sneak peek here. So over here in the Annex, it's primarily going to be esthetician services and non-physician driven procedures. So you can see the girls, even on a Saturday, are hard at work, perfecting their facial skills. So we're ready for patients in a couple of weeks when it opens. So we've actually got 2 esthetician rooms. This is the first. And again, it's very similar. It's got that sort of paneled wall, so patients have an architectural interest. We're featuring LED lighting up above that's really nice and warm and very appealing in terms of skin examinations, but very energy efficient. And then if you take a look next door, this is where we're going to house our vanquish. So we're going to have a dedicated room for that, for non-invasive fat removal. And again, patients will be able to relax and have a quiet space for them while they're enjoying treatment. And then our final 2 rooms are going to serve mainly as procedural rooms, including laser procedures. And again, we just are getting things started, so you're getting a sneak peek. It'll be up and running by the time the meeting is going.